Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to restart your Google TV. Sometimes the best way to resolve an issue with Google TV is simply to restart it. But if you can't be bothered to get up and physically plug it out and plug it back in, I'll show you the fastest way to restart it. You're most likely well aware that pressing the power button on your remote will only turn off your TV screen and not your actual Google TV unit. So I'll show you the steps you can take to restart your Google TV without getting up. Start off by going into Settings. Then go to System. Finally, click Restart. And your Google TV will begin restarting. But if you want an even faster way to restart, there's a paid app you can download. It's called TV Quick Actions. Once you have it installed, simply launch it. Click Buttons and Actions. Pick a button. I'm picking the back button. Select Double Press. This makes it so that when you double press the back button, your Google TV will execute a specific action. Now, to pick an action, go to the Action tab. Scroll down to Reboot and select it. Now, whenever you double press the back button on your Google TV remote, it's going to restart the Google TV. If you want to learn another cool Google TV trick, then click on this video right here and you'll learn how to install the Google Chrome app on your Google TV.